start streaming. Alright, live stream. Alright. 1 hour dev stream. Alright, stream's up. Quick code before anyone starts typing in chat. When next upload? Next week. Hopefully. I got the Windcraft vid almost done, and I have the scripts of another video starting, and then I have some like small videos that are mostly just there for fun that I'm gonna upload just as filler. So we got at least one filler video, and then one video that's an actual video that I actually edit and put effort into. What's up, Globber and Bubsy? I mean, I was just being the Bubsy, but yeah. Welcome back. I think did I leave off last stream on Sugar Rush? Or no, I think this is what I did off stream. Yeah, this is what I worked on off stream was Sugar Rush, which is gonna be sucky. Low quality? What do you mean? That's your phone. Currently, my side, it's streaming just fine. It's working. You're not gonna be talking much. You're also coding? Alright. 10 was 15 years ago. 10 what? So why can't I see your messages in OBS? I don't like that. Hopefully no one's talking on the Twitch. Or I can't see what the hell they're saying. Alright. Anyways, let's actually do some coding. So the thing with Sugar Rush is that I'm gonna make a lot of it client-sided. But I don't know where the hell to put it. I have like game events, events, and then remotes. So, I think game event events is what it is. I don't know what game events is for. I don't know why I made this folder. That is unknown to me, why that folder was made. One user watching? Well, it's lying. We got 3 people in chat, so that's a lie. Alright, I'll probably just do it here. So the remote event, Sugar Rush. I don't know if I want to keep on adding event. I think I'm gonna do remote. Just so, because obviously it's an event. But I think just to specify it, I should instead of event, it should be just remote, and then bindable for the other events. So, because we're making this client-sided, I basically just gotta frickin' get event folder. So it'd be Sugar Rush remote equals RVK storage dot events dot game on game event game event events Sugar Rush remote. Done. And then for give player Sugar Rush should just be Sugar Rush remote fire client, just that player. There's also a particle effect, which I mean I could probably just do that on the server. I don't feel like we're replicating that to every client. That'd be kind of annoying. So I'll open up Discord. Also, I think I copied this already. No. Alright, Oh, also, I need to specify Sugar Rush strength number. Because there's a rare event where it's like Sugar Rush, but 3 times better. So, should add that. Alright. So give human a Sugar Rush. Player 1 is basically just this, but basically just give the player, I guess this Sugar Rush times is the walk speed and jump height by 30%. So that'd just be variables then. Boss fight event. Yeah, but like, do I want to code a boss? Right now, no. Also, Perfect Housing has bosses. Plus, I don't know, bosses would be cool, depending on, but like right now, I don't have any boss ideas. I mean, I have some boss ideas, but it's not like I have them fully fleshed out. That'll be after I do this full revamp, after I implement the castle game mode and some other stuff that I have on my list. Because, dude, I already have 50 plus stuff on my to-do list. I gotta get that shit done before I start adding more. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Sugar Rush. Speed boost. 30%. There's speed boost and jump. And technically rush jump boost. It will be the same, but I guess if I ever want to make it so the speed is more than the jump, it makes sense to have both. Also, this should be in a cons table, a table.freeze. Okay, so we got this. Gee, I kind of like colon better. It's nicer than comma. Because it reminds me of C#. Alright. So, is it humanoid gives Sugar Rush or just humanoid? It'd be local speed boost equals humanoid that walks speed just times the speed boost. Rush speed boost. And local jump boost. Humanoid that jump power? Oh no, because there's jump power and then jump height. Because one's like for old, one's newer. Mind if you steal your idea for this event for my game? The Sugar Rush? Sure. I mean, it's Roblox. As long as you don't steal my whole game, I don't care. Okay, so here I think I do jump height. I do jump height. I forgot the difference between jump height and jump power. Cause controls the height that can, because this controls the height that humanoid jumps to. The jump power is just the upward force. Oh, I think I do jump height because if you do jump power and it's low gravity, they go super duper high, which is no bueno. So this be humanoid dot speed walk speed is equal to humanoid dot walk speed plus speed boost. Humanoid dot jump boost. Damn it, humanoid jump height is equal to humanoid dot jump height plus jump boost. Then they get the effect, which will be local, or the Sugar Rush screen. The sound is global. All players should be able to hear it. What's the thing? Don't want. I want to make the sound localized because I want players to be able to mute the Sugar Rush sound. That'll be for later. I'll put that in a comment. Also, the depth thing is not working. You're meant to be able to apply a deprecated tag. If I remember. But that is not working. Event module dot. Yeah. Because I just found out that you can have actual comments on functions now and have it pop up. Because that's new. Roblox didn't have it before. So super rush strength should be nullable. Because if it's nil, it'll just default to 1. Yeah, and then times sugar rush strength. Cannot be converted to number. Dude, I literally set it to here. Roblox is, well, what would you call it? Linter is absolute dog. Like, I already check if it's nil and then set it. Dude, I'm about to crash out. I'm now casting it as a number. And it still says that it could be nil. I hate this so much. I genuinely hate this. I mean, I basically do this. Where the hell is it? For almost any other event. I've not done it with a number yet. I've only done it with the events where you spawn something, and then I have an optional parameter where you can choose the parent that goes to. I think jail has it. Nope. Pinata. Boom. Pinata has parent instance. If it's nil, it does that. Parent equals this. Oh. I guess you can set things parent to nil. Alright. What do you think of the new Studio UI beta features? I think we talked about this last stream. I did not like the new UI. Also, is there new features or just a UI revamp? Because when I saw the UI, I did not like it. All I did was just remove most of the text and just made it look slightly nicer. But I like having text. I'm not a child who can't read. And why is this still not working? Okay. I literally set it. Okay, where? I'm just gonna create another variable then. Local sugar rush strength. I don't know what I call it. Boost. So sugar rush strength as a number. Cast it as a number. So this is a number. And then it can stop whining that it can be nil, even though I check for it here. Okay. Oh, now we have that. That's basically all we need except for the particle. Which Sugar Rush particle. We should just copy paste this into event items folder. Sugar Rush folder. And then Sugar Rush particle. Prefab. Done. Then local function for give affected humanoid effects. This would be a good thing. Humanoid. Technically I should do character. So I'm not going to use the humanoid anywhere here. It's just going to be... Actually, no, because I need to put it on the root part. Why do ad credits exist? So Roblox can make money. Yeah. As you said too. They want you to think that you're spending less money because you're using a made-up currency to do ads instead of actual money or Robux. The thing is, do I want humanoid though? Well, technically, I'll just do character, cause then if there's I don't know. Fuck it. Local. Where did I put it? Did I put it on the root part? Sugar Rush particle. I put it on the head. Sure. Head is a character find first child. Head. If head, then local particle is equal to. Actually, no. I can use the particle thing I have, but then I gotta stop it. Where is the thing I coded a while ago? Particle handler. I mean, it'd be basically single play particle. Playtime, however, I actually need to specify that too. Local base Sugar Rush duration 15 seconds. Because then it'd be, instead of this, particle handler is in replicated storage, I think. I don't know why this remote is in the modules. L code. Alright. Local particle handler is equal to. Wait, I have particle handler in server script service. What the fuck am I doing? Oh, oh, yeah. Yeah, never mind. That makes sense, because the actual other one would just be... Okay. Service.modules.particle handler. Okay. Honestly, I'm kind of getting sick of having all this, because that's... And the only reason why I had this is so if I have multiple references to like modules, then it makes sense to have it. But Robtips TV, welcome. How you doing? Particle handler dot single play particle. Particle emitter would be Sugar Rush particle prefab. Spawn pause. Ooh. Doing really good? That's good. See, this is where I wanted to do the fucking refactoring to allow us to work with these two. super motivated. That's good. Wait, was that the video of where you talked about the scam? Yeah, the Megalon thing. How good did it do? Or did you have multiple ones? I'll check right now. 55K. That's pretty good. And then exposing Roblox millionaires. Not as good. But that was a good video though. Oh, Bubsy is. How's this real? I did not expect that cat. We're from 25 subs to 554. Boom. It just happens like that. In this next video, you're gonna be with me. You're gonna be up to me. Well, what if you put a tortoise in the water? It might drown. Maybe. Single play particle. Good thing is an insert particle. I just insert it. Oh, where's the the local one? Starter player scripts. Local particle handler. For insert, it really just inserts it. It's insert, right? And I enable it. Okay. I'm just gonna give insert particle a playtime option too. I don't know why I say playtime. Duration is a better word for it. Duration is the better word. I don't know why I say playtime. Alright. Duration number that can be null. So then if duration, okay, I'm gonna need to handle a local function, disable particle after duration, particle reference, then duration. I have this and then test that spawn to prevent duplicated code. Bam, 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 bam. I have debris. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm using debris service. Does debris service error out if it? Actually no, it probably won't error out if it comes to nil. That'd be bad. So new particle, playtime. I'll rename it to duration. That's just the better variable name for that. Can you get any stupid image of your choice at the end of each video besides your name as member? Oh. I mean, technically I had the put me in video maybe channel because you are a member. You could put an image or a video, like a 1-second video clip. That's obviously YouTube friendly. Ooh. Because technically, add item, particle reference, and particle parent, which would be an optional instance, question mark. So if particle parent, then add the parent to the breeze, else add the particle reference to the breeze. Okay. Yeah. Send whatever video or picture you want to put at the end of the video, of each video. Put parent in debris. Put particle in debris. Alright. I'll probably put duration first, because duration will always have to be here. Particle parent is only going to be the only one that will be able to be nil. So parent instance here, I would want to put particle part. But here, I would not want that. If duration, then this. Perfect. Okay. Now I can do that here. So then I do particle handler, insert particle, that prefab into the player's head for base trigger duration. Done. Easy. Peasy lemon squeezy. We just gotta test this. I really want to do a play test, but I'm only done with like 30% of the events, and that's not including rare events. But rare events should be quick, because most of the rare events are just regular events, just like times 12. More chaotic. Okay, then we give character effects, or VFX, I guess would be better. Ooh, cause the humanoid parent could be nil, but like, will I ever pass a fucking humanoid that's just in the workspace? Probably not. I feel bad, but I guess you have to revamp all the events. I mean, it's just what you have to do when what you built the game on was old code. I built this game when I was bad at coding in Lua. Now I just gotta do it. But the thing is, now I'm revamping it just to make the code better, but also almost all the events gotten buffed or improved. I have a freaking document where I'm putting all the change logs. It's already a page long. Just from maybe 30% of the events done. Because there's also a lot of balancing things I had to do that people were talking about. Or the stuff that I felt like needed to buff or nerf or rework. You also saw there's a popular game of free candy van. They changed it to a free pizza van. Forsaken? Forsaken had a candy van. That's crazy. Free pizza van? I might put out a free pizza van then. Because I really want to add the clown zombies into the crash shipment game mode. But now they'll be like work at a pizza place zombies then. Or some shit. Local character equals humanoid that character. Humanoid parent F character then. Honestly, I'm gonna write that down. Or actually, what do you guys think would be better? Since it's gonna be converted into model. Okay, if character is an L and character is a model. Should I do a free pizza van, or what should I advertise on the van that's not candy? What do you guys think? Free turtles? Free tortoises? And then I can make it spawn angry tortoises, but I don't think... Is there a tortoise model in the toolbox? I don't think so. Oh! I can rig it. Okay. Because I got a hawk model that had no rigs, and then I rigged it myself. Oh, that is fucking ass cheeks. That is not a tortoise. There's no head on that. Oh, there's tortoise that moves right here. That's actually pretty good. Angry tortoises? That one's not a tortoise. That one's a disgrace. Okay, I think this is the only tortoise mesh. There's a body gyro. Wait, let's see if it actually works. Run. Okay, it moves, but that's because it's a body gyro. What's happening? I found a torus model. What? I don't think it's rigged. But I mean, that's fine. Who said it needs to be rigged? It'll just move like that. Okay, I'll just keep this at spawn for now. I'll make it slightly bigger. It's kind of small. Oh. Okay. Taurus chase event? Yeah. I might add a Taurus somewhere. I mean, I need to add a Taurus somewhere. It'd be illegal not to add a Taurus somewhere. What's your idea? If they're like Koopas, while you're waiting in spawn, you can squash them in points while you wait for the round to be over. I mean, okay. I might just have, like the intern. I'll have a tortoise pet just walking around, like the intern, and he walks very slowly. So he'll act like the intern where he walks around and interacts with people, but it'll be like the beach ball, where you might be able to jump on him and then knock him around like a Koopa. That would actually be fire, but the thing is, I can't make him go in his shell unless someone has an actual Taurus model where is both an outwards and then also in shell mode. I don't know what the hell this is. Tortuga. I don't know. I won't be able to do the Koopa thing then, because he can't go in his shell. But squash a Despacito spider. What? What the fuck is a Despacito spider? Despacito spider. I mean, I probably won't put. Oh, one of these. Isn't this you? Oh, I've seen this profile picture before. I don't know if this would be a good thing to have in spawn. It wouldn't really fit in. I mean, I could have it. I mean, I'd have to code a spider logic, which would take more time than just doing something not for the lobby. I'd have to code it to where it would actually like walk on shit. Yeah, when I placed that down, it kind of reminded me of you. Tortoise of dynamite explodes if you touch it. A suicide tortoise? How dare you fucking... I don't know. Looks like just that. Maybe a turtle of dynamite. I don't know. I'll probably have it just attack players. But I need to... I need to learn... pathfinding then. Roblox pathfinding. To do that. Unless I have it act like basic, where it'll just go in the direction of the player. Because I mean, it does walk slowly, so I guess that would make sense for just to do that. I wish it was rigged. I don't know if you can rig models in Roblox. It has to be done in Blender. But I don't know Blender. Hot potato event with tortoise. But it can't go in his shell. See, if it could go in his shell, there'd be so many things I could do. I could make it Koopa mode. I could make a hot potato because then you would hold it and it'd go in his shell. That makes sense. But I can't. So it'll just have to be here because I think because having to pick it up and it just being out in your hand would feel weird. Am I able to change the material? Will that do anything? What happens if I set the force field? Loading tortoise. Actually, boss event. Oh, where he's is just a giant tortoise, and he becomes like invincible with the force field. Like, can I change the color? Oh, it does. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. All right, I'll just leave him here for now. He'll be here in the lobby. I'll have to remember to do stuff with him. I'll leave him on. Okay, he's on unanchored, so you guys should be able to play with him. Inclusion fidelity can be whole. It doesn't need to be very detailed for a tortoise. Alright. If you make a boss fight and if there's UIE for it, call him Edward. I would call it Taurus though. I guess I could do Edward. Edward the tortoise. I'll call him right. I'll put him in a model. And we'll call him Edward. Group as a model. Edward. Tortoise underscore Edward. So I might make him have a humanoid. Wait, actually. Humanoid. You need a root part always, I think, for a humanoid, right? Part. How big is that frickin' root bar have to be? Transparency 1. Turn off collisions. Okay. Root part. Humanoid will automatically attach that, right? Or do I call it humanoid root part? Humanoid root part. And then I think in order for the actual thing to show, you need to call it. You need a head. I think that's how it works, I believe. 0.5. That's showing display name, Edward. Also, Studio sucks with showing humanoids, so I'm gonna close, then reopen. Let's see if I did it right. No. I thought that's all you need. All you need is the humanoid root part, right? Rig builder, my avatar. Humanoid root part. Did I spell it wrong? No. There's a head. So what the fuck is wrong then? He has humanoid and everything else. Humanoid root part. Root part right there. Head is not a thing that shows, so why the fuck can I see Edward's name? Okay. Maybe if I play, it'll show it. No. It won't show Edward. Do rooks have primary parts? Yeah. I think every humanoid needs a primary root, humanoid root part. I think, yeah, I set primary part, that didn't work. I have head, which normally you need to have the actual name show. Is he too small? I'm gonna duplicate Edward underscore not N big. Is it because he's a mesh part? Is Roblox being racist. Actually, I could just call his model head instead of having the small head. And see, look at it. It works. He's too small. I make him. Wait, if I call this tortoise, it still shows Edward. Okay, I'm gonna save. I'm gonna have so many revisions saved of just fucking Edward. See, now it won't show. Oh, connection lost. Uh-oh. Did I just get banned? Okay. Head. Main head has to be bigger. One by one. Still not working. This one stopped working. What if I add in a head? Hello, Paco Gamer. Welcome to the stream. Okay, head. Close place. Oh, did it save? I think it automatically saves. Connection lost again. Okay. Reconnect. I hate how it enabled Team Create. I never clicked that. I don't know why it enabled Team Create. I hate fucking Team Create. Okay. Head. Still not working. I do 10 by 10 head. Okay, he has a head and a humanoid root part. So why is this not working? The head is more than big enough for it to work. I'm gonna name this guy's body head. What works? It does work. Once I add a part name head, it won't do it to the part. That makes no sense. Okay. Well, his body is just gonna be called head, I guess. All right, now we've Edward here. Epic. For real. He's not gonna have any health, so always off. 0. Name display distance 20. 'Cause it's not gonna frickin' save. Close place. Then go back. Studio sucks at rendering. It's still not 20. That's not 20 studs. But okay. Everything else seems to be fine. Okay. I don't think he'll be jumping. Max health. I think 0. I think you can still have 0 and they won't die. Edward should not be able to die. Alright, now we have Edward there. Okay. We got severely sidetracked. And I only have 10 minutes left until I have to leave. Dude, there's no way we spent 43 minutes and I still haven't finished this one event. It's gonna take the whole summer to revamp all of the events at this pace. Alright, I did all this. Give player sugar rush will just be that. And then module that give humanoid sugar rush. Or ooh, are we assuming that the player's alive? I forgot did I think for all the other ones I decided to just do a bunch of ugly casting. You don't know how to create, you can always learn. And the best way to learn is just to start. Make your own game and start trying stuff. That's what I did. Where have I done? Where have I used humanoid? Jump for joy. I used humanoid. Ask for that. Okay, where have I used a player instance and then had to do the ugly casting? Shrink player. Help shrink humanoid. No, fuck. Huh. Bye, Godstream. Thank you. Hope to see you next time. Jump for Joy is humanoid. Jail is humanoid. Do I have anything? I know I had one. I know I had one. Clone player is clone humanoid. Not clone player, but then I do all this stuff, so. Okay. I don't remember. This is why I wanted to create a custom player type to have humanoid. But I think I deleted it. I'm gonna check real quick. Modules. I'm not here. Replicate storage modules. Where's my player module? Player getter. Did I ever do the new one? I didn't. Okay. I think I gave up. It's like it'll take too much work. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just get humanoid. We give remote. Sugar rush. All thing is local character equals player dot character. If character is equal to nil, then return false. Print player has no character. Cannot give sugar rush. When will that happen? Probably never. But humanoid equals. Should I just check if player? Where's player getter? I guess I'll get player getter out here. Local player getter equals replicate storage dot modules dot server client modules player getter. Then here we just do, or check if the player's alive. Or should we just assume the player's alive? So I don't like coupling shit with that. The thing is, I kind of will need to give alive player sugar rush. Alive player. We're just gonna assume he's alive. And then humanoid. Because then over here on helper, get ram alive player returns humanoid. No, the is player alive returns back in the same fucking loop that I had last stream. Okay, I'm just gonna do the Control Z. We're getting player getter. Late? You are late. Oh, welcome. Not for long though, because I'm gonna be ending stream soon. Because I got to go to sleep. I'm gonna play some Ultimate Frisbee in the morning. Local player humanoid. Wait, no, it's is alive humanoid. Player getter is player alive and in game. Player. If not is alive, then return false. Then humanoid we pass into here. We can if it's alive, then it's obviously a humanoid. You should for real revamp the player movement. How? The player movement is just regular Roblox movement. It's the regular Roblox movement, bro. Can you studio on my bank account? Nope. when I got banned and tried to log in, it said no login or something like that. And that should work. Don't use Dark Game players. Okay. Now I just gotta handle this remote. Game events handler, that would be here. I'll make a bunch of scripts. Folder. Thanks, RobTipsTV, for following on Twitch. You got any pictures you could use for the lobby? Yeah. I got all of them saved. I mean, I'll just put them in once the lobby's done, I guess. Hello, RobTipsTV. Whoa, who's this guy on Twitch? I wonder who he is. Hello, RobTips, whoever you are. TV. Who's this Bubsy guy? All these people suddenly following on Twitch. You love the Twitch emotes? I don't watch much Twitch to use them. Local game events. Local script. You will have Sugar Rush. And then basically just copy and paste this, I guess. Roblox has some mid games. Yeah. But you know what's not mid? You know. Alright. Don't need player getter. Don't need any of this, really. Math, maybe I might need. Just gonna get rid of all this junk. All this frickin' junk. Event items folder, Sugar Rush folder. I'll need Sugar Rush screen prefab. The Sugar Rush folder, that's screen. Don't need any of this. Base duration I will need. Ooh, that will probably be passed through the remote, which I deleted for some reason. What the hell is that Twitch emote? Why is there a random woman nodding her head as a emote? Sugar Rush remote equals replicated storage events remotes no game events game event events. Top tier name right there. Then we whoosh, done. Beautiful. On client event connect local function on Sugar Rush remote, and then I'll decide how I'm gonna send the player. Okay, so we send. Well, duration I think it's gonna be base duration for now. Let's fire client this. Give them the base duration. Sugar Rush strength does matter, because that would also affect the particle. Effect strength number. That would affect the because I get the prefab. Roblox is filled with trash games now, not gonna lie. You don't see yourself playing a Roblox game for more than 4 hours. Oh. The only game I play for more than 4 hours would be Bee Swarm Simulator. But that's about it. And you know, Chaos Company, of course. Well, you can easily do hardcore Minecraft or something. RobTipsTV, have you tried RLCraft? This is the reference. No, that's prefab reference. I hate this. Okay. See, I think I'm gonna have to revamp this again. So the surviving 100 days are all crash video or something. It's probably because you have the trash PC. Well, now that you don't have a trash PC, I don't know if you still do. You should play it. What happened to Edward? He's still here. Were you off the stream? Were you not watching? Is the game on realistic or softened graphics? What do you mean? The graphics is what I reset to in settings. Thanos snap event? Like lighting. The game graphics. The lighting? The graphics is basic. I don't know. Is the settings in lighting? It is? Where? Use current lighting? I don't see anything here. One of the properties. Sun rays. Depth field, bloom, night fog. Like plus. It's in technology. There's a technology category? Where is technology? A, B, C, D, S. Well, based off the alphabet, there's sensors, styling, and an OT. It's right there. Which one? The color correction effect? Low shadow ambient. Oh, right here. Shadow map. Ew. No, we're on shadow map. We're on shadow map. Why is it so dark? It gives a vibe of darkness. That's for sure. I don't know. But my game is not meant to be futuristic. See, that's the thing about your builds too, all soccer dudes, that yours are very detailed. I'm trying to keep mine like medium quality. It's like I don't want to be too crazy. No, that's not really the vibe this game gives, in my opinion. Your settings says soft realistic. Well, my settings say future voxel shadow map. You got used to middle quality, so don't worry. Okay. Just make it GTA 6 quality. I mean, how do we know if it's GTA 6 quality, though? The game's not released yet, so. And the trailers. I don't know. Man, we got off the track again. It's been an hour. Shit's still not done. Sugar Rush Strength. No, Sugar Rush Strength boost. Probably gonna buy it GTA year 2031. That's if it goes on discount. Apparently, it's gonna be like $100 or something, from what I heard. But who knows if that's even real. Alright, affect the character effects. Is the only thing I really need to do. Past the duration. Oh, because this thing, I remember. I was gonna do that and then order files modules. More than $100? No way they did. There's no way they did more than 100. Function module that insert particle underscore existing. Ooh, that's the thing. For insert particle, should I assume that's already made? Well, no, because damn it, hate this. Edward, Edward will defeat you because you heard GTA 6 costs more than $2 billion to create. I mean, it's a pretty big game. I heard that too, where it's 2 billion. It's a lot of money. Oh man, okay, duration. Thing is, what am I gonna do? Input every single option here as a parameter. But the only thing I could do is duplicate it. Man, let's create it. Insert particle underscore existing particle reference instead of particle prefab reference. And basically just every single thing copied. Well, no. Why did I have prefab reference? Actually, never mind. Because, yeah. Okay. Well, add another remote to the list. Events. Remotes, particles. Insert particle underscore existing. Why don't you see a chat box in your stream? I see a chat box in my OBS. Technically, it should be showing in a bomb, right? I have it on in Stream Elements. It just doesn't show it for some reason. It might be because I'm multi-streaming, but that shouldn't matter. Also, I hate how it doesn't. I don't know why Stream Elements has multi-streaming and then doesn't add an option for me to have a multi-stream chat show up in a stream element. Like right now, if I go to stream elements, and I go to my overlay, the chat box is on. It's showing. Wait, is it on? No, it's not. Uh-oh. Save. Oh, there we go. Now it's in the bottom right. It's black. I don't know why it's black. Hold up. Oh wow. How did that happen? Guys, some work. All right. I won't forget about Edward. Look, Edward is right here. He's chilling by the rig. He is not moved. I just realized. Well, I thought I had it. I might have disabled it when I did the Winecraft stream. And then I gaslighted myself into thinking that I had it not wrong. I don't know. Also, I can't set the color of the text inside. Oh my gosh, why the hell is stream? Okay, so I'm gonna have to set the stroke to white. Ah, that's bad. Why is the stroke bad? Okay, let's do red. That's bad. That's worse. Why is text stroke bad? Okay, we're not doing text stroke. We're doing text shadow. Okay, someone type in chat. Is that towards a free model? Yeah, I just found it. and I'm gonna give him code. Okay, I mean you can sort of see it. It's bad though. Can't even change the shadow text because this is stupid. Wait, you can't do text. I'm stupid. Okay. Oh, stroke still sucks. I hate text stroke. Why is it so thick? Why is it so low quality? Size 5, 6, 16, 18, 20. Alright, you guys are gonna be big. That should help. Why is the text black? Is that wrong? Huh? Fucking racist. Alright, there we go. It should be fixed. Speak in chat. It should show now. Goodly. Better. We. I increased the size, so now the stroke shouldn't be covering the whole text, making it all black. Test. Now it's just not showing it. That's great. We love stream elements on this channel. Not even all racism. Well, I was kind of joking, but yeah. We back? Yeah. The text is better. All right. You just won't be able to see Twitch chat, but we can see YouTube chat at least. Print inserting existing particle. I can just copy this. Existing particle. Insert particle existing. I don't know how this is gonna work. Cause okay, I just gotta make sure I don't choose a existing particle that's only server side. Side U $5. What? Slide or side? Why do you need $5? Do I not have any remotes? Okay. Remotes we have here. No reason. Okay. Not today. Maybe tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. I'll stream tomorrow. I'm kind of forced to. I have to get some progress on this. But also need to do some editing. So I don't know. I'll probably do a lot of editing. I need to get back into editing my shit. So now it'll just basically no clone. Ing. But I set the player twice here. I don't know why I do that. Okay. Boom. We have this now. Will KS Company ever be sold to a big company? Unless I'm offered like millions of dollars, then probably not. Instead of streaming, you should post a dev post. I will. Well, the thing is, I'm streaming because I'm not gonna make this into a dev post. Like all of this in my first devlog is just gonna be like half a minute of just being like, oh, I did revamping, blah blah. This is not very fun. The community bot has been bought by Dookie Studios or something like that. See, I am not where the hell that game, what, I think Fish got bought out. The Fish was asked that it was just RNG. Like the RNG game or whatever that people hated. What other game? Blade Ball or whatever got bought out. KS Company, I probably won't do it. This is my baby. unless of course I get offered, you know, millions of dollars to where I can retire for the rest of my life. Then, you know, maybe. Fish, Dusty, Trip, Grow a Garden. Will I be introduced in the dev video? Yeah. I'll probably mention the castle build. Or no. Probably not in this one, because in devlog... Oh no, because devlog 2 is going to be lots of big stuff. Devlog 3 is going to be the castle game mode. So I'll probably mention you there. And also, depending on what if you have the lobby done by the time I post the first devlog, which you probably will, I'll probably have at the end of the video for people to vote if they want your lobby or the current lobby. Increasingly, Roblox games are being sold for millions of dollars. Well, you can earn a lot of money. Grogarden got 9.7 CCU. Is CCU Robux? Fish, Dusty, Trip. Wait, Trip got sold? Is that why it's dead? I didn't know Dusty Trip got sold. Hold up, Roblox. Because I think because the Trip game used to have a lot of players, and now it's only 8K. Filled with microtransactions. Oh, I mean, all the games that got bought out were just filled with microtransactions. Also, I don't know why I coded this. Because once I give the character effects, it's basically just going to be this. The prefab, just cloned to have a different effect strength. What's the hype about Grow a Garden? I don't know. See, my cousin played it, and it was literally just growing shit. Dude, I could have made that game in a week. It's literally just plant seeds and grow it. It was literally just a base plate, and you had a farm. It was, I was like, how the hell are you playing this shit? That's what everyone's saying. I mean, it's true. But since the time Roblox game has been bought, it becomes a dead game. Oh yeah. That's why I want Aerosol Chaos Company. Thing is, I won't mention it. Never mind. I was gonna say something, but that'll be for later. It'll be for later. All right. I still haven't finished Sugar Rush. It's been an hour, 20-minute stream almost. We're still not done. I need to get this done. Alright, insert particle. Basically, I can just make if effect strength is equal to 1, then just be basic. Else, we'll need to make new prefab equals clone this, a new prefab dot rate times equals effect strength, and then we give a new prefab. Yeah, so all the shit I coded, I don't know why I did this. I was not thinking, because I'm yapping. I'm yapping too much, not doing enough thinking. I like streaming because it's fun, but... Or I like code streaming because it's fun, but... It's not as great for... trying to think. Because Torse, you and me should make a knockoff of Grow a Garden that you can generate millions of dollars. Yeah, but who's gonna play a copy of Grow a Garden, though? Like... Well, once the game gets big, no one's really gonna play any of the because also Grove Garden is a fad. In a month, it'll have like 1K players maybe. Unless they update it. I don't know if they're updating though. I don't play it. You're joking? Well, I'd assume you're joking, but I just started ranting for no reason. That was a tier 5 rant right there. Alright. I need to lock in. Alright, we have this. Where the fuck? Okay. I need debris service. Some idiot kids would play it. Yeah. I mean, kids play anything. That's why there's like 500 of the same RNG games, simulators, and all the pay-to-win games, just because children will play anything, basically. New prefab. Delete new prefab. After used. And probably think it's a real game as well. Oh yeah. Oh, you were talking about the clone. I mean, there are clones of a lot of games, and kids still play them. But it'll be not enough to make it worth the effort, because you won't get many players. Loki's kind of sad there's any original game out there in Roblox. I mean, there are original games. They're just not as popular. I mean, also, like, a game doesn't have to be original. It just has to be good. It also depends. Like, KS Company, it was inspired off of Perfect Housing and Place of Fate, but it's obviously, like, a lot different. Like, the only thing that's, like, it's just an idea of RAM events and plots in the sky. It's just built upon more, I guess you could say. Like, a game doesn't have to be original. It just has to be not like an absolute copy and just a cash grab, which most games are cash grabs. Can we head out? All right. Tomorrow's one day. Oh yeah. I mean, I have to head out too soon. All right. See your wrap tips. I mean, I guess you say so. You still got school? I don't got school. Every game's a cash grab? Exactly. And Rob Tips did his research. He got those videos. He knows. Yeah, I gotta wake up early too. I should have been asleep 20 minutes ago. But I'm still finishing this, and then I'll head out. You gotta work tomorrow, so you think you gotta go too? Alright. Good. Get out of here so I can think and go to sleep myself. KS Company. Yeah, yep, gotta revamp the code. The next big game? Maybe. You're gonna make a bunch of secret rooms? Good. Maybe some of them could be Easter eggs. Well, leave some empty rooms, because I gotta put the current rooms in there. Easter eggs, I have a bunch of Easter eggs too, so if you want to put in your own Easter eggs, then hell yeah. Alright. Sugar rush duration number. If sugar rush duration is equal to nil, then return warn. Like a secret project of your question mark, question mark, question mark. Your horror game that you're making. You can put a reference. You're gonna go to bed in 10 minutes. Hopefully me too. I might be done soon. Local function. Actually, ooh. Okay. I think I'm gonna have the Sugar Rush screen stay until the client gets a thing from the server about, hey, you're done. Cause if a player gets infected with Sugar Rush twice, I'll probably have it refresh. You hope this game will get the same attention as Grow Garden? Uh, it probably won't. It'll probably get decent attention once I get devlogs out. But like, I mean, this game will never die. Cause, I mean, unless I die in real life, I'm gonna keep on working on it and playing it myself on stream and stuff. So I won't die ever. I mean, it might die and then gets revived when I play on stream, and then it dies again when I'm not playing. But you know, I'll always be playing it. You guys revamp some models? What models? Like the models here? I mean, I don't care about these models because these were free models. Everything else, this was a free model, but I obviously revamped it. I added the screen, paper, and everything, and the code. All of the stuff is coded by me. This was revamped heavily, revamped super heavily, slightly revamped. Plant tables and robot head. Okay, robot head. Wait, what? Robot head? Okay. Plant tables, yeah. Plant tables I don't care about. Those were just free models that I temporarily placed down. What robot head? Wait, what? Wait, what? What? Robot head. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I was about to say. I don't remember adding a robot head. You said it for fun? Good. Good. Alright. I gotta start doing I'm doing too much yapping. Alright. So basically I already have all this set up. Screen. That'll be set up here. Getting lighting. Oh! Because it's locally, I can make the player's lighting be cooler. But yeah, process is going smooth. That's good. How am I gonna do that? Okay, I close my properties thing. That's not good. Properties. Am I able to see these effects on the server? If I say this now, it's not showing. Ambient. Okay, I'm gonna do this not on here. I'm gonna open up a different file. I'm gonna create a new place. The reason why you weren't able to work on lobby is because your friend wanted to play Minecraft Bedrock. Better than Bedrock. What? You played Bedrock, which is better than Bedrock. It's a mod. Oh. Oh, okay. That's fine. It don't matter. Okay, I do ambient yellow, but then I got somehow reset it. Very original. Also, it was not showing on stream. Whatever. Okay. I just do it here. Lightning. I'll set the ambient to yellow, but I'll have to save the default ambient. Display. You're currently working on an album. You do music and building. That's crazy. Get local. Actually, is there like a lighting service reset to default or some shit? Local lighting serve. Let's do lighting equals game guest service lighting. Lighting dot default. Reset property to default. It's title alt and cursive writing. What genre of music is it? Here, I'll do this just to see what happens. Local function. Stop. Sugar rush after time. That's the thing. Then I won't need to pass sugar rush duration because then it'll just be wait until we get a. Wait, can remote events get lost and just be ignored? So that could be bad. A bunch of genre combat. So you're doing combat music? Or you meant combined? Well, I'll also do duration for now. I'll add that as once again a comment for to do. Instead of duration of set duration, have client wait for message from server that their sugar rush has ended, so that if it refreshed, stuff works. Combined. All right. Are you good at music creation? As good as you're at building? So, all right, to do. Track players currently affected with sugar rush. Once they are done, or if they get chosen for sugar rush again, refresh their duration instead of resetting. Some what? Oh. Alright. Do you have any samples right now that you can hit me up with? Any preview? Alright, we have this. Looks fine. We send them this, which works for now. Sugar rush screen goes on to, currently goes on to the player's screen, but like, I think it'd be cooler to have actually the lighting change instead of having a stupid screen. Get some samples, but it's not quite finished. Okay. color correction maybe? Color correction. Tint color. Oh. That'd probably be cooler. Contrast. That sounds fun. Actually, this might be epileptic if I have it change through colors. If I won't do that. What does contrast do? Yo, this will be cracked for -1 contrast, not good. For like horror games, 10 contrast. Yo. What about brightness? Oh, that's not good. Flashbang. Okay, so that's how flashbang works. This is the event. This could be a game mode. But instead of obviously it'd be regular. Deep fried chaos company. Actually, it like hurts your eyes. But that's chaotic. Deep fried. I'm putting that in replicated storage for now. Oh, this feels weird having back to normal. It feels illegal. Oh, that hurt my eyes. That's good. That's that's the that might be maybe I'll make that a game mode. All right. Anyways. I need Sugar Rush effect, so let's put this back to normal. Should use that for Christmas and Halloween event. I mean, I could make it for during Christmas, just make everything have like a light blue or light, like a white hint. Oh, wait, this works perfectly for frickin'. Oh my goodness, I just used. This is literally just the frickin' thing I had. Look, I go to replicated storage. This is so much better. If I go to Sugar Rush, and we have the screen, I basically just recreated that. But now I don't need the stupid ass screen. Now I just drag a freaking brightness thing and boom. That's so much nicer. Having to do that. And plus it'll work in, because the thing is I also had a problem where it didn't work in VR. So this added some contrast, some brightness. Or maybe one contrast is kind of cool. Yo! -1 brightness with 1 contrast. This is fun. Halloween? Oh yeah, dude. This would be dope for Halloween. Like, look at the outside. just imagine playing in this. Okay, I'm copying this again. This is being saved. I'm saving this. Oh, and it stacks them too? Dude, that's so cool! Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm saying that's Halloween. It stacks them. So say if you have multiple effects. Oh my fucking goodness, that is beautiful. But imagine with the new map. That'd be annoying to play with that type of lighting. With new map? What do you mean by new map? It would be annoying to play? I mean, yeah. That's the whole point. Everyone would be given a flashlight, which would help them see slightly. But it'll be hard to see what's in front of you, which is fun. Yo, I love this lighting effect. Alright. Let's get back to... wait. There's also saturation. I haven't even used this yet. Okay, where? So I think for Sugar Rush it's going to be 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Oh, that looks beautiful. Okay, that's Sugar Rush for now. Uh, super sugar. Wait, I have a super sugar particle. Oh my goodness, dude, I'm so stupid. Went through all this stuff to do like effect strength and all that, which I will still do. But I have this super sugar particle. What should I handle that through here? It's a new map. We could experiment with new lighting. Yeah, new lobby. You mean not new map? Let's do local super sugar particle equals sugar rush folder dot super sugar particle. And then I'll do else if effect strength is equal to local base particle prefab is equal to sugar rush particle prefab. Then if effect strength is greater than or equal to 3, then it will do base particle prefab will be the super sugar particle prefab. Lobby, your fault twin. Alright. I mean, I don't want to revamp lighting. That's too hard. That's too much work. That's work that I gotta put in. I mean, at this point, I'll just freaking do this. Or if effect strength is equal to 1, then just do that. Or I'll keep this done. For genre you like to use album is rock, pop, and Latin. Weird combination. For genre, I mean, I've never listened to Latin. Rock and pop might work, but I don't know. I don't know. We'll see once you cook. Base particle prefab. Well, alright, let's do this. There's one track that finished. You said there was none. Actually, never mind. I think you said that was just slightly done or something. Alright. I mean this done. Sugar rush lighting effect. Sugar rush lightning effect. Lighting. Sugar rush lighting. New sugar rush sugar rush lighting. And then latest parent equal to game of lighting. Then stop sugar rush at a time. Duration. Number. Duration. Test dot or should I put in a test dot spawn? Probably. Test dot spawn. At least for now, until I do the actual. Just wait for server to tell you that's done. Test dot wait duration. I'll have to pass that though. Sugar rush lighting reference equal to instance destroy. That's basically just debris stuff. The title is named after a girl you liked. You lied. You still want I only hear this track. Oh. Your friends tell me worked on the track. That's cool. Are your friends good at you? music creation. Alright, Sugar Rush lifting reference. Yeah, that's good. I saw one of my DMs. After I posted the Roblox video, sending one of his songs, and it was. I felt like it felt super duper AI generated. And I was like, I don't know. I was like, is this AI generated? But he was like, I made it. I was like, okay. It was decent, but it was I was also tired, so because I listened to it like the next day, and it was like it's okay instead of decent. What's AI generated? So some guy's song, I think, or multiple songs. It seemed AI generated. And then I think a week ago I watched a Moist Critical video, and he also covered some AI songs, and I was like, that sounds just like the guy who sent me this stuff. So you sent a picture? Oh damn, that's beautiful. That's what it looks like in dark lighting. That's pretty good. There's no pipes. That's fine. I'll probably put the pipe parkour above that ceiling, and just have it that if you fall, if you fall, Edward comes to kill you. So it'll work out with the roof being that low. Though I don't know how it'll work though, because I still want this big. Actually no, because we're still doing 2 floors, right? Don't remember the pipes. The idea. Okay, but we're still doing 2 floors, right? Because I still want this glass to at least be like up to here, minimum, or bigger. At the same time, it'll probably be fine. I don't know. I trust you. Because so far that looks fucking beautiful. That looks beautiful. That's the second floor? Okay. See? Or is that the first floor? Some pretty good plants. Damn. See, the elevators, the I don't like the elevators as much. But having having one elevator in the middle is fine, but I think the 2 elevators and then the sides is where I'm gonna put the leaderboards. But that's fine. All right, I gotta test this. I think I'm forgetting something. Oh, yeah, I am. I don't ever stop the effect. It's like give player effects. I don't know, stop it. So now local function. middle goes to the roof. Well, the thing is, I'm not gonna have an actual working elevator, because currently, I mean, I think you should know. I think you played the game. I said this elevator which goes to a thing that you just stay in infinitely. This thing is, unless I make the elevator, okay, because that thing is, we could still have one elevator, but it'd be RNG of you have a chance that you'll be stuck in the elevator forever, or the elevator brings you to the mysterious room, or the elevator brings you to the roof. With the roof, or floor 2. I mean, roof would be kind of cool to go on the roof. Okay, never mind. Leaderboard should be placed here. I mean, I guess, yeah, that'd work. But I don't think 3 I like having one elevator that's just RNG of where you go. I think that'd be pretty fun. Or just one elevator where you choose a floor. Because I mean, like in any regular building, you would only have one elevator. Unless you unless you do the elevator on the left and right side, but in the middle part you put on another room. Because I think having it conjoin right in the middle to a room would be better. Because having 3 elevators, I don't know. It looks nice, but in the scheme of gameplay. Alright, I was texting the Discord. Local function. Give human sugar rush. Sugar rush effect decay. Duration or affected humanoid duration number. And task that spawn function task dot wait duration affected humanoid. Oh, and I need what if we had a code to the elevator that leads to secret room? Yeah, I think the thing is, probably just one elevator where you have kind of like I have the microwave numbers. You just click numbers, but like it'd be like room, it'd be like 4-1, and then just like gibberish. 4-1, 4-2, and then gibberish for all the other stuff. And you need a secret. Yeah, it'd be like those code doors that like you see in every like kids game. Like these things. It'd be like this. And then you gotta do a code to get to a secret room, a code to go to the basement. And then you just have 4-1, 4-2. But obviously it would just also not be that ugly. Or maybe you make it look ugly like that. That's just funny. Sushi, I'm not giving you. Do we set up the code to words or numbers? I mean, we just have a button for floor 1, floor 2. Because it'd be like a regular elevator where there's numbers in like a line. Floor 1, or it'll be current floor, floor 2, basement. But then we just have like, so we'll have the regular 3 buttons, and then there'd be like a secret side panel that you can click to open, and then it'll have either random codes or words. Words and numbers. I mean, maybe like letters and numbers. Probably letters. You have to spell out chaos, and then you go to the secret room. Or probably letters instead. The thing is, then technically you have to put the whole alphabet. Unless we make a keyboard GUI, which I could do that. Or just have random letters. I mean, that's more of the code side though, than the actual build side. To each room area, yeah, I think just it'd be words, but it'd be that. Bro, I think he's the boss for real. Blood is not Tortoise Knight. Blood is not the OG Tortoise Knight skin. Alright, speed boost, number, jump boost, number, affected humanoid, dot, walk speed is equal to affected minus equals speed boost, affected humanoid, that jump height minus equals jump boost. That's basically all I need to do. Okay, I'll do this, and we'll see if it happens. Humanoid, duration, speed boost, jump boost. Save, do a test, display capture, so you guys won't be able to see it. I'm saving this picture. Someone just sent in the Discord. Alright, does it work? Sugar Rush? There's no sound. I have the speed, I have the jump boost. Okay, having the no sound is not useful as the particles. Okay, I kept the speed. No. Alright. Okay, it works. Just no sound. Which I can change right now. And the sound's gonna be global, so I mean. Local. No. Sugar Rush Event Module. Local Sugar Rush sound equals Sugar Rush folder dot Sugar Rush sound. Sound prefab. this will go on the player's head. If head, then local sugar sound prefab is equal to new sound equals to this clone. The new sound dot parent is equal to head. New sound play. Then debris add item this duration. Alright. And that's done. I'm not gonna go to sleep. This was 2 hours? Oh my, it took 2 hours to do one event. What's happening in the Discord server right now? Who got muted? What? Who got muted? Oh. Alright. Now we wait until someone gets the effect. Beepus is working. It hurt myself. Oh, that's an issue. That's a bug. That's a bug. Don't know why pipes are spawning. I know pipes work already. Yeah, we're going to unlock you with Sugar Rush. Yeah, it hurts me the initial one. Bleh. Oh, Sugar Rush. Double Sugar Rush. It works. I got three. I got three. Well, we know it works. And Beepus does work. It just hurts the player the first second. The first second it gets used. I just got a message request. Oh. Poor Globert. Wait. Well, it works. Oh, I don't want to do that. Alright, Sugar Rush. It's working. Where is Beepus? Oh, Beepus. In this oldish code. How? It checks? Does it not check if it's... I think you are able to hurt yourself because there's no check to see if it's yourself. That's an issue. Okay. Well. I need a object value. Okay, I'm adding this to also the changelog. I'll do this on stream. I forgot I have display on. Alright. We have Sugar Rush. And now we have Beepus. Fix. Because I have buff as green, rework yellow, nerf is gonna be red. I'll fix as like... That looks ugly. What should I highlight fix as? Actually, I don't have anything that's orange. Let's do orange. Naranja. Beepus. The beepus could hurt the user if the okay, Sugar Rush. Sugar Rush effect is now a very cool lighting effect. Okay, done. Sorry, chat, since I came to the room. Chat is not existing. But you're good. We should add memes to the game. There's already a lot of memes. I already have a good amount of memes. More memes? Well, the more events. I already have some events planned that are gonna be even more meme. I mean, there's memes everywhere. When you got the frickin' this, literally the printer just prints out memes, and then a good amount of the events are references to memes. Like at least 20% of the events are references to memes. What is this on Discord? On the Discord. Okay. Moxie Cola. Well, owner or owner player, or let's be owner humanoid. Maybe wait for child too, I think. Maybe. No, I want to be wait for child. Local owner humanoid is equal to handle that owner handle owner humanoid. Wait for child owner. Am I going crazy? Handle to wait for child. Oh, handle. I'm stupid. Okay, that'd be damage part. Damage part dot owner humanoid object value unactivated. I don't check for humanoid. I will do that. Local humanoid is equal to tool dot parent, the big character. If character is equal to nil, and return tool dot parent. Yeah, that's humanoid. Then local humanoid equals character. Find for child of class humanoid. If humanoid is equal to nil, then return. Then that value is equal to humanoid. Or if humanoid is nil, or humanoid that health dead, return. Then we use this value over here. An untouched humanoid. If you're to know and not. And humanoids not equal to that value. And then hello turtles. Because now that bug shouldn't exist anymore. Test event method. I'm removing pipes. That I already know that works. Mario pipes works. Chaos token. I've not seen that spawn yet. Dodgeball works.
Good night.
Alright. Manager 1. You know. You know when. What is this, bro? What is this? The fuck is this shit in the Discord? Alright. Let's see if this works. Sugar Rush. I gotta make sure it ends correctly. Particles seem to be fine. Okay, that's good. Beepus shouldn't hurt the user anymore. Good. I think that's the only thing I need to test, right? See, it's avoiding. Because there's Sugar Rush, Second Beepus, and Chaos Token. It's avoiding Chaos Token like it's the plague. Hello World. Why is this saying Hello World? That's not good. There's something wrong with the randomizing of events then. Because it should be doing that. Oh, also, you guys aren't seeing shit. Okay. Because OBS is stupid and it's only recording the main screen. So it's not doing the other event, even though it should be. Same changes, no. Even though right here, Chaos Token, it adds it. I go to server. Oh, I should have checked if I added it. Start it up again, and we'll see if it gets added. It should be added to the list. Alright. Right here, registering. Oh. That's probably, we got an error. That would, yeah, that would stop it from working. That would indeed stop it from working. Did I never finish it? Chaos token dot c frame is equal to c frame dot new spawn pause. Okay. That's good. Ah, it should work, and then Beepus works. Sugar Rush has been working just fine. So I can probably remove that from testing too. Okay. Okay, now this is transferred to the new system, and it only took 2 hours and almost 15 minutes to finish this. Registering the event, testing, checking Beepus, KS token. Not seeing any errors, so that's a good sign. Well, also that's good that if it errors out, it won't affect anything else. That's what it should do. Pretty sure it should also be scaling down the lighting for it. Yeah, Beepus is not doing the initial hurt anymore. Okay. I'm gonna remove that print. Where's Bloxy Cola? Moving that, and then I hate having that print every single time. Remove that. Which one is doing the Hello World? I think. Yeah, which is the one that's doing Hello World? Where is frickin' Sugar Rush? I forgot to remove. Yeah, I forgot to remove Hello World. All right, we're good. Hello World's gone. Download a copy. Always save local backups, guys. External drives booting up. All right, here we go. Export. And that's the stream. Thank you to anyone who's still watching. I don't think anyone is. Oh, 2 current viewers. I think Turtles and Alt Soccer Dude. I'll hopefully see you guys tomorrow. I should. Okay, tomorrow I might post a filler video of Helldivers, and after that, I'm gonna continue working on the Windcraft video. After that, I'll be working on the devlog, hopefully. So that should go. At least manager, please. Well, I need a Roblox user ID to even have it do that. So put that in DMs. So I can at least have it there when the game gets updated. Yeah. Alright. See you guys.